my new CaddyTrek. My new cart is gonna be a remote control, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited. So I just need to play how to open it up and close it. Okay, so first of all, we pull this out. Let's pull this out. Nope. Okay, just give me a second. Oh. Okay. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Make sure I have that. This thing comes out. I think I overdid it earlier, honey. Okay.
I'd be closing it by now if it was me because it'd be packed in and done.
Okay.
You're new.
That's why I wanted to practice. Because
You're taking way too much time.
if I'm by myself here,
We did well in the kitchen though.
I know we did well. I did very well in the kitchen, but then when I got out of
We're
here,
at 1 minute and 10 seconds. It should have been closed already and put away. Now don't cheat.
Okay. Don't cheat.
Remember, you have to unloose all of them first.
Well, that's what I.
Extend it. Then lightly tighten it up. And then you have to extend the bottom part out to make it click.
Yeah.
1:40.
Okay, jeez. You and your timing me. Okay.
There you go. It's locked down. Keep the bands on the front because there you go.
All right. So.
The lazy way
Battery.
to pull your golf bags.
Shut up. Then the battery goes over here.
Open it up one more time.
Battery goes over there. Close it. Unlock this. This one should have a better unlocking thing. And then this goes there. Okay. Lock that up. And then you told me make sure my wire is
Yeah,
nowhere
clear the wires on that because that one clamp that looks like something they have to re-engineer because it's too close and it's susceptible to pinching and stripping of that cable.
This guy here.
Yep.
Okay.
And you too, for about $1,600, have a nice big old paperweight.
It's not a paperweight.
All right, done?